Hello and welcome to another Wave analysis. So today I want to talk about meta stock, right? This idea is actually a short idea, and why I think that Meta has already reached a peak. Now, if you look at this daily chart from November 2022 until the last trading session, which is 7th of February 2025. Right, this 2 years plus is actually one big wave by itself, right? And over here, if you look at the red color Roman numbers, you will see that I've placed like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in red, right? So this is the five wave. Now, if you look at the fifth wave itself, right? So it's also broken down into five wave. If you look at the blue numbering, right? This blue Arabic number, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And I can further break down these wave three, right? You will look something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, before I click on this four, take a look at this red line, and you'll see that it's above the top of one, right? And then five. Now let me change this color. So 1 degree lower and just change it to green. And let's draw this wave here. Right. So now you see that I have this green color breakdown for wave three. Right. And then the final wave is also a five wave. Right. So let's do these together. Now, if we have to draw this wave, you look something like this. Five. Right. If you look at this, you will notice that this wave one's a bit weird because it looks like it's a three wave, right? So in this case, actually, it doesn't really matter if you want to move this wave one down forward by a few days, right? So this is some imperfection in this wave itself, right? Alternatively, you can actually move this entire wave over here to where wave two is, right? In that case, this entire wave will then conclude like this. Now, this is not ideal, right? Because your wave two is only a 1 day wave, right? Even though target wise, it will give us roughly the same target as our original one, right? So accept a bit of imperfection over here, right? So that the bigger wave actually looks nicer, right? So now let me remove this. Sorry, I should leave like this. Now over here, based on where I draw the start of wave one, right? I also did a Fibonacci extension, right? And over here, you see that if wave one equals to wave five, right? We actually hit this number over here, which is 725.76. It may not be very clear. That's why I'm reading out to you. 725.76, and the high itself is 725.01. So it's off by about 75 cents. Not a major issue, right? So over here, if we compress this chart, right, and you look at the wave, um, we can see that these five waves looks better than just now if we have to adjust for minor wave imperfection, right? So the main thing over here is that if you look at this, now it presents a very good risk reward, right? So let me move this down to this closing, right? So our risk will be the height, which is 725.01. So if we have to short this, right, our stop loss will be above this. So I would say maybe 726 will be the stop loss. And there's a huge potential over here, right? If we go so over here you can actually select any of these wave four, right? It could be here, which is the most recent, the last wave, or you can move it over here. So I'll prefer this because there are a few more points of support and resistance. So this is a better support and resistance line, right? But if you are really playing a very long-term play, right, you can even go down to here, which is 414 around here, right? But usually we will just choose a more conservative target, right? And then we will review how the wave move from there. So over here, this is the entire idea for Meta. Right? Good luck in your trading and keep your risk tight. Thank you.